Hello and welcome to the ITIL Practitioner. My name is Dr. Suzanne Van Hove and I'm going to be your instructor. Before we jump into the content of this course, I'd like to give you a little bit of background around the practitioner to set expectations. This course is not going to be like the other ITIL courses where they're heavy in lecture, light in activity. This course is a practitioner course, meaning you must do the activities. Let's set that expectation now and really reinforce the fact you must do the exercises. The exercises are vital. They're going to demonstrate the concepts that we're going to talk about, and they're also going to force you into applying the concepts. Now, above on the slide, we have the new educational schema diagram, and you'll notice that the only prerequisite for this course is the foundation class. I have to give you a little bit of warning. Even though all you need is foundation training, we highly recommend that you've had some level of experience in a service management environment. The context and the concepts will be a little bit foreign if you have not worked in a service management environment, meaning you're going to have to study a little bit harder. Notice that in this diagram, the practitioner is the dark purple in the center, and it's saying that, hey, it's worth 3 credits towards that ITIL expert, and you really don't need to have any of the other intermediates. Personally, this is just me speaking, and you would do well to have at least another intermediate just to provide context for these concepts. This is a course that's supposed to be guiding you to be a consultant or a consultant-like service manager, so understanding those skills. So again, having a little bit of a background and experience will only help. One other thing about this course is that ratio between activity and lecture. I know I've already mentioned it, but I want to say it again. This is an 80-20 course, 80% activity, 20% lecture. So the videos that you're going to be looking at for the information are minimal. This is a course where the exam is open book. You're going to need to have that book with you. We'll talk some more about that in just a moment. So I'm hoping that I've given you enough of a background that allows me to now continue on into this little short introduction. So before we go any further, we have a few housekeeping items. So the first one is that we have to put in these copyright statements. So ITIL is a registered trademark of AXELOS Limited, used under permission of AXELOS Limited, all rights reserved. The IT Infrastructure Library is a registered trademark of AXELOS Limited, used under permission of AXELOS Limited, all rights reserved. The swirl logo is a trademark of AXELOS Limited, used under permission of AXELOS Limited, all rights reserved. Any other copyrights are property of their respective owners. Now, just to give you another piece of heads up, that any quoted text is from the main source for this course, which is the ITIL Practitioner Guidance. There is a link on the GoGo page that will take you to a source where you can purchase this book. So all quoted text is from the ITIL Practitioner Guidance. Copyright AXELOS Limited 2016, all rights reserved. Material is reproduced under license from AXELOS Limited. The resources for this course, there are 5. They are all on the course page that you can download. First of all, you can download those slide decks. So the slides that I'm speaking from are available for you to take notes on. Secondly, I've written a practitioner student guide. Now, it does not replace the official course volume, the ITIL Practitioner Guidance, but it does provide context for the slides that I am delivering too. So you might want to have that student guide available as you listen to the lectures. Third, there is the Practitioner Exercise Solutions. This is another packet that I've written that offers a solution, not all of the solutions, just a solution to each of the exercises that have been assigned. Your solutions may be very different, which is okay, but grade your solutions against what I've provided and make sure that you're on the same page or within the same context. Fourth, there are the sample exam papers. These are the official papers from AXELOS. There are 2 sample exams, sample paper 1, sample paper 2. During the course, we will be using sample paper 1 for exercise questions, so sample exercise questions as we go through. The justifications that are also there and available for you to download are quite good. I will not be reviewing any of the assigned questions. You should be able to use the justifications and the references that are there to go back and look into the actual course volume or the practitioner guide that I've written, or the slide deck to learn more information if you need to, if you do not understand a concept. Lastly, the official syllabus from AXELOS is available. You would do well to download that syllabus because it is defining exactly what you need to know for that practitioner exam. We'll talk more about that practitioner exam in the next module.